Data sovereignty. In today's cloud-dominant world, data sovereignty has emerged as a critical aspect of data governance. Data sovereignty refers to the concept that digital information is subject to the laws of the country in which it is located. As data flows across borders, understanding and complying with the varying data protection regulations can be a complex task for organizations. In this lesson, we're going to explore the concept of data sovereignty and the geographical considerations that come into play. Data sovereignty is based on the principle that information is subject to the laws of the nation within which it is collected or processed. This means that a company must manage, store, and process the data according to the laws of that particular country. The concept has gained popularity with the emergence of cloud computing, where data is often stored in data centers located in different parts of the world. For example, GDPR protections are extended to any EU citizen while they are within the EU or EEA or the European Economic Area borders. Once they are out of the regions of the European Union, they are no longer protected by GDPR. Next up, geographical considerations. The geographical location of data storage and processing can have significant implications for businesses. Different countries have different laws and regulations concerning data protection, privacy, and cross-border data transfers. For instance, the European Union's General Data Protection Regulation, or GDPR as we previously mentioned, has stringent rules for data protection and grants individuals strong rights over their personal data. Any organization dealing with data of EU citizens, regardless of its location, must comply with these regulations. Non-compliance can result in hefty fines. On the other hand, countries like China and Russia have strict data sovereignty laws that require companies to store and process data within their national borders. These laws can pose challenges for multinational companies that operate in multiple jurisdictions and use cloud services for data storage and processing. Understanding where your data resides and where it's processed is crucial. This includes knowing the physical locations of your data centers and the flow of data across borders. You need to ensure that information is not illegally transferred from a particular privacy jurisdiction without consent. Another scenario that you should be aware of is that sometimes employees might need access from multiple geographical locations, which cloud-based services can sometimes restrict. In conclusion, data sovereignty and its geographical considerations present a complex challenge for organizations operating in the digital age. However, with careful planning, legal advice, and strategic use of technology, organizations can navigate this landscape successfully, ensuring compliance and protecting their valuable data assets.